This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Doug Eaton from Strategic Metals Ltd. It's a publicly traded company, two symbols for you, SMD on the TSX Venture and SMD.F in the U.S. Doug, welcome back. How you doing?
Oh, just great. It's very exciting to be back here and feel very enthusiastic about where we're going forward.
It's great to have you back. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, Strategic is a generative project generator, but we're a lot more than that. We've got our fingers in so many pies, it's unbelievable. We're in technology. We have shares of other companies. We're very creative and very different from everybody else here.
Okay, so, I'm going to follow up on that a little bit. Tell me a little bit more. What do you mean by you guys are creative and have some of these other things going on? Because that seems like a bit of a change since the last time.
Here's a few things. First of all, we're probably one of the few companies here that's issued dividends to our shareholders over time. We've had 3 in the last 10 years. We bought back stock at times when we felt our value was not being fully appreciated. We've made investments in technology that is looking at CO2 avoidance. I can't use the word sequestration because it's taking potential CO2 out of the atmosphere before it's ever produced. We're looking at being disruptive in an industry far beyond mining, and at the same time, we've got fantastic mining assets. We're tremendous value, 130 wholly owned projects, cash in the bank, huge share interest in other companies. What more do you want?
Well, let me see here. We last had you guys on here about 2 years ago, so let's get an update. What's been going on in the company since then?
Okay, let's start with the exploration. From this past summer, we went out and we worked on one of our projects that has produced some of the highest grade surface samples I've ever seen from a drainage that is probably the most exciting gold discovery, placer gold discovery in the Yukon territories in 50 years. We own the entire drainage that placer gold is coming out of. One of the samples from this year's program ran 2,340 grams gold, about 80 ounces per ton, or if you want, about 0.25%. Lots of other good numbers too. That's on the exploration front. On the technology front, we've got a process that we just got patent protection on that has the potential to displace Portland cement. Portland cement produces about 8% of the world's CO2. It's in a private company that we control. The potential on that thing is enormous. The interest it's garnering is equally enormous, and it's moving ahead at light speed. I can't believe the progress we're making.
So then, from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now moving forward for the rest of 2019 going into 2020?
Okay, we got drill results from three properties that we haven't announced yet. We've got a lot of surface results we haven't announced yet. We've got phase 3 exploration going on at Mountain Hinton where we made the new high-grade discovery. We're going to continue to make progress. There'll be news starting to come out about the cement process soon. And there's a couple other deals that I can't even talk about that I think will also be accretive to us if we're able to put them together. And in spite of the fact we got a couple $100 increase in the price of gold, which is wonderful for everybody, our projects and our success isn't singly determined by the price of precious metals.
And Doug, where can our audience go and find more information about Strategic Metals?
Strategic Metals Ltd.com would be a great place to start, but I welcome phone calls as well. I'd always like to talk to investors and potential investors.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Doug Eaton from Strategic Metals Ltd, publicly traded company. I got 2 symbols for you, SMD on the TSX Venture and SMD.F in the U.S. Doug, it was a pleasure as always.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, well, that's worked. Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.